Yo, year 10. So this is question 2 of the MyMaths homework on histograms. This time we're interpreting a given histogram there that you can see. The first thing they ask us to do is complete the frequency table. So hopefully you learned by watching the previous vids that the frequency is the area of each bar. So let's look at the yellow bar there, the first interval. The width is 5 and the length is 19. So 19 times 5 is 95. If we look at the second bar, the red bar, obviously the width is 5 and the length is 18 this time. So 5 18s are 90. And so on. The blue bar, the width is 10, and it goes up to, let's have a look, 10, 12, 14, 15. So 15 times 10 is 150. The green one, this time the width is 15 and the height is 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 times 15, I'm sure you would all agree, is 105. And then finally, we have a width of 15 and a height of 4. 4 15s is 60. All right. So to complete this frequency table, let's add all of those up. So 95 plus 90 plus 150 plus 105 plus 60 equals a wrong input in my calculator. So I'm going to do it again. 95 plus 90 plus 150 plus 105 plus 60 equals 500. Oh, what a nice number. Right, okay. Then it asks you to calculate an estimate for the mean length of the gardens, right? So you've got to cast your mind back now to your year 8 and 9 work where we did estimate of the mean from grouped data. And what we have to do is get the midpoint of this data and multiply it by the frequencies, which is why they've left space here for the working out. So I'm sure you would agree the midpoint for this first band would be 2.5. So 2.5 times 95 is 2375. The next one, the midpoint would be 7.5. Times that by 90, you get 675. Got a feeling the top one's wrong, so let's do that again. 2.5 times 95. 2.5 times 95 is 237.5. Okay, this one here, the midpoint is 15. 15 times the frequency 150 is 2250. Here, the midpoint is 27.5. 27.5 times 105 is 2887.5. Finally, the midpoint here is 42.5. I need to times that by 60 and I get 2550. Now, if you remember, we need now to add up all of these to get our total and divide it by the total frequency. So I'm going to add up these numbers here. So 2550 plus 2887.5 plus 2250 plus 675 plus 237.5. That comes out as a fabulous 8,600. So to get the estimate of the mean, I'm going to do 8,600 divided by 500, which comes out as 17.2. And now I'm going to mark it. Hope I get 10 out of 10. Fingers crossed. Fabulous, right? So that was how we complete